Worried a payment processor might disappear on you when things get tough? Hidden fees and poor support are some of the biggest reasons business owners lose trust in their provider. Here's a quick check you can do. On any provider's site, look for three things: certifications, years of experience, and client testimonials. If a provider does not show this openly, that is a red flag. Of course, a polished website does not always mean the support will be there when you actually need it. Many processors look polished on the surface, but fall short once your account runs into issues. Some don't have certified security standards. Others outsource support, so you're stuck explaining your business to a new rep every time you call. That's why it's important to look beyond the website and confirm who will actually be supporting you when things get difficult. With EasyPay Direct, you get a dedicated point of contact who knows your account inside and out. Their team is experienced with high risk industries and works directly with you to keep payments stable and avoid surprises. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out. They also offer chargeback mitigation, which helps you prevent disputes before they turn into real problems. If you're looking for a processor you can actually trust long term, EasyPay Direct makes it simple to get started. The link to the sign up page is right there in the description.